Today my video guide is about removing the new browser hijacker that is called themasksearch.com or simply themasksearch. The developers of this service indicate that by installing the extension into your Google Chrome called the Mask Search, you'll be able to get more privacy. You may also get some PDF conversion tool directly in the new tab, currency conversion, cryptocurrency calculator, and other useful things. However, the point is that themasksearch.com is a typical browser hijacker because it changes your default search engine without your permission. For instance, you may start submitting certain search queries, and soon you may notice that the results are delivered by searchly.com or by some other unfamiliar search engine. It often happens that the results may be provided by Bing or by Yahoo. But the point is that it's not your choice to use this other search engine not selected by you. However, the Mask Search browser hijacker tries to make these important decisions instead of you. So it actually controls your important browser preferences and tries to set its own rules within your browser. The Mask Search is often integrated with some free applications, so often people download and install it pretty unintentionally. That's another reason to correctly classify it as a potentially unwanted utility worthy immediate removal. To get rid of the masksearch.com, go to the menu of your Google Chrome, More Tools, then choose Extensions. So you need to disable and delete any third-party extensions that are not familiar to you. Finally, I would recommend that you check the safety of your Mac with Combo Cleaner. This can be done by going to the official page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, then starting the application and examining your system with this tool to make sure there are no any other hidden threats on your Mac computer. So after the antivirus database is successfully downloaded, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the investigation of your Mac. Dear customers, so this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner or antivirus. In my case, this program is in the premium mode, but of course initially it will be provided in the trial mode. There are some absolutely free features to use. They are disk cleaner, big files and duplicates, and the antivirus is the part of the premium license only. But even in the trial mode, the antivirus function helps you to review results. So click on Review Results, and each specific report will contain the location of each threat, malware or adware or browser hijacker, and you'll be able to click on the Show in Finder button and get rid of a specific threat and its location in the manual way. So move it to the trash, each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider obtaining the premium license to get rid of these threats in the automatic manner. Thanks for watching.